Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lobster farm, step by step. First, choosing the right location is paramount for success. You'll need a coastal site with a reliable source of clean, cold seawater, ideally free from pollutants. Maintaining a stable salinity level, typically between 30 and 35 parts per thousand, is crucial for lobster health. Also, consider your farm's proximity to markets and transportation routes for efficient distribution of your valuable harvest. Next, setting up your tank and water systems correctly is vital. You'll need to install tanks equipped with both mechanical and biological filtration to keep the water pristine. Maintaining a consistent water temperature, ideally between 12 and 18 degrees Celsius, is essential for optimal lobster growth. Furthermore, ensure your dissolved oxygen levels stay above 6 milligrams per liter through proper aeration to support healthy crustaceans. Moving on to the young lobsters, you'll need to source healthy larvae or juveniles from reputable hatcheries. These tiny creatures require a specialized diet, often consisting of live or formulated high-protein feeds, to support their rapid early growth. A significant challenge in larval rearing is cannibalism, so implementing strategies like providing ample hiding spaces or individual rearing units is crucial for high survival rates. Finally, let's discuss growth, harvesting, and bringing your lobsters to market. Lobsters typically reach market size in 1 to 2 years, depending on the species and environmental conditions. When it's time to harvest, handle them carefully by hand, nets, or traps to minimize stress and injury. With the global lobster market valued at billions of US dollars, developing a robust market strategy is key to successfully selling your high-quality farmed lobsters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.